Hey everyone, I want your help with a project. The Wings of DAFi is a group that I'm in, that I help administer, and this year DAFi will be doing Christmas in October, not Christmas in July. So, I came up with an idea, what I would like all communities to get involved in. If you're an eBayer, if you're an RVer, or if you're in the crafting community, any community you're in, I would like everybody to get involved in this. So what I want to do, hopefully, is make 2 journals. And I want it to be a gift of love to the Disabled Artists Foundation Incorporated to put in their October auctions. And what I want you to do is take one 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, fold it in half, decorate all 4 sides any way you want. It can be a painty paper, it can be a mixed media paper, it can be a journal page. If you're an eBayer and you have any vintage paper or advertisement, it can be that. YouTubers, y'all travel all over the place. I mean, the RV community. Okay, I'll talk in a minute. If you're in the RV community that I belong to, you can also just pick up something while you're traveling, a map, make it 8.5 by 11 and fold it, and then when you finish decorating all 4 pages, I want you to come back to the very back page and print your name and your YouTube channel underneath it. I'm going to put my email address in the description. If you want to participate, and I'm hoping on a live you will, because I really would like to make 2 journals for them to sell. And what I will call it is the YouTube quilt. So it can be anything. They don't all have to match. That's going to be the fun part. It'll be like a crazy quilt, nothing matches, but it will be individual pieces of art. And the more pieces of paper that come in, and we put them together, as you will see, your signature is back here, but the more papers I fill, all of these will not have any signature on them. All of the back pages will have who it's from. And I'm asking that you print it and put your YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever page underneath it, so that whoever buys this journal has a piece of art or a piece of love that's donated by each one of you to help them raise funds to provide craft supplies for disabled artists throughout the United States. And they have quite a few that they do this for. So they need to have the auction the second Saturday of every month to raise funds to buy these supplies. So this is what I'm asking, and if you would like to get involved, all you have to do is, this will go in what, a 9 by 7, or it'll go in one of the small mailers. Let's see, these are 10 by 8, I believe. Yeah, more than enough room to go in there. Decorate it any way you want to. If you want to draw on it, if you want to paint on it, if you want to make it all about an advertisement for your YouTube channel or Instagram or whatever, just send me this 1 piece of paper. And hopefully I'll get enough to do 2 journals, but if not, I'll do 1. You know, it doesn't matter if it's 1 signature journal. I really would like to get enough to do 2, and there's enough of you out there that we can make this happen. And they could probably raise about $200 off of these 2 journals, if not more. So I'm hoping you'll get involved. Let me know. My email is down below. And thanks for watching.